In this video, I'm going to be talking about Kikoff Credit Builder Loan. They provide you an opportunity and a way for you to build credit absolutely free. There's instant approval, no hard inquiry. More importantly, in this video, it's actually going to be about the sign up process because I believe so much in Kikoff Credit Builder that I'm going to sign up myself and show you guys. So that's what I'm talking about in this video. But before I get started, I have a quick message. Welcome to another video. If you're new here, my name is Dwayne with How to Build Credit TV. And on this channel, I talk about everything you need to know about credit cards, and how to make money using credit cards. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so one of my subscribers, or maybe not even a subscriber, but during one of my live streams, this gentleman Titan mentioned Kikoff Credit Builder, and I was like, no, I don't know anything about this. So I decided, you know what, let me do some more research and take a good look at this. So that's why I decided to do this video. Now, this is a way for you to build your credit, especially if you have no credit at all, if you have poor credit, bad credit. This is a very easy way that you can build your credit for absolutely free. There's no money out of your pocket, and all it takes is time and patience. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and show you guys. I'm going to start a screen recording here on my iPhone because I want to go ahead and show you guys my credit score right now so that you guys know that I don't necessarily need to do this, but as a commitment to you guys, I'm showing you that this Kikoff Credit Builder Loan is really legit. And I want to show you guys the sign up process as well. So my screen is recording right now. I'm going to go ahead and log into my Credit Karma account right here on my cell phone. And I'll log into my Credit Karma account. So I'm logging into the account right now, as you guys can see. Of course, I'll have it on the screen just to kind of show you my credit score according to Credit Karma. It's not insanely accurate. As a matter of fact, my credit score is a little bit higher than this, my FICO score. So Credit Karma is the Vantage score. But anyway, I just want to show you guys this. So my credit score according to Credit Karma is 762 with TransUnion and 777 with Equifax. If I touch on TransUnion right now, just to kind of show you guys, just to be a little more transparent, you'll see my payment history is 100. Credit card utilization is 0%. It's really not 0%. It's just really, really low. Derogatory marks, none. Average age of credit or age of credit history, 3 years and 1 month. That's actually not very good. Total accounts, 42. And I have 7 inquiries. If I touch on the Equifax at the top of the screen, just to kind of show you guys what's going on with that, payment history, 100%. Credit card utilization, it's close to 0. It's not 0. Derogatory marks, at age of credit history, 3 years, 1 month. Total accounts, 40. Hard inquiries, 6. So anyway, I just want to show you guys that because I'm trying to be as transparent as possible. And I want to show you that I don't necessarily need to sign up for this, but I want you guys to be aware of what the process entails. And I'm kind of curious as well. So I'm going to do it just for the heck of it. So I'm at the website here. And so, of course, I can leave the link below this video in case you're interested in going to the website and checking it out. I don't even know if they have a referral program. I guess I'll figure that out. But anyway, I'm at the website here, and they're really, really good about answering questions in regards to how this works. Now, I will be doing another video talking about how this works and more details about it, but I just kind of wanted to show you guys the sign-up process. And let me just show you guys real quickly the FAQs. This website's very clean. At the time that I'm making the website, this is the website. At the time I'm making the video, this is what the website looks like, but they do change. I think they change the color from time to time. So it says, how much does Kikoff cost? It says it's completely free to you. You can't beat that. Free's always good. How does Kikoff work? It says we help you build credit history by giving you the smallest possible 12-month loan, $12. As you pay back $1 each month, we report the on-time payment to the credit bureaus. This is no different than how a credit card or auto loan payment history works. As the loan is 0% interest, 0 fees, the money we deposit into your Kikoff digital wallet will be enough to cover the entirety of the loan. Once again, 0 fees, no credit check. I mean, that's incredible. This is the best thing that I've seen out there as far as credit builder loans. It says, but how does $1 payment make a difference? And it says payment history makes up 35% of your credit score. It doesn't matter the amount, it matters whether it's on time each month. So the FAQ section is really legit. Of course, you guys will be able to come here and check it out. I don't want to spend too much time talking about this because I do want to show you guys the sign up process, but this is very legit. So what I'm going to do is just click on sign up right now because I have no idea how long all of this is going to take. And then I'll just enter my information here. Of course, you guys won't see all that good stuff, but I'm going to go ahead and sign up for it right now. So give me a few as I fill this out. But this is really exciting, guys. There are a lot of credit builder loans out there that does allow you the ability to build, on-time payments and so on and so forth. But it's not something that I recommend. As a matter of fact, I don't even talk about them. I just really talk about more the secured card aspect instead of using like a secured loan builder. So this one is really cool because there's no interest, there's no fees, there's no hard inquiry. I mean, it's like a free pass. All right, let me go ahead and click on join Kikoff. Like I said, I'm just going through the process. I have no idea how long this takes. I'm just showing you guys here so that you can expect, so that you can know what to expect. So of course I signed into the account. Now it's asking me for my name. It's asking me to type in, it says my legal name is, and so you got to type in your legal name, of course. This matters. It's asking for the middle name. I don't even know if you have to put that, but it says it right there. So I'll just go ahead and enter all that information because I, want to be as legit as possible. All right, now it's asking for my phone number. It says, why do we need your contact? This information is a part of your identity for your account verification and recovery. Once again, the purpose of this video is to show you guys exactly what you can and should expect when you're signing up for your account with Kikoff. All right, so I put my phone number in. I'll click on next. The next thing it's asking me is my birthday. So it's asking me for my actually they're asking me to verify the confirmation code they just sent to me. So that's pretty quick. So my verification is 9837. Then I'm gonna hit next. And then now it's asking me for my birthday. So month, June 24, 1978. Yes, I'm up there. Click on next. Now it's asking me for my address. So I'll enter that information here as I'm doing this video for you guys. I really appreciate you guys being patient and sticking with me as I do this application. Once again, the purpose is just for me to show you guys what you can expect when you are ready to get started with Kikoff Credit Builder. I think this is legit. This is so smart. And just to kind of even show my dedication to the fact that I think this is legit and smart, I want to go ahead and do it myself, not because I need to, but I just want to see what the process entails, just so that you guys are insanely informed when it comes to, getting a loan through Kikoff Credit Builder Loan. Okay, so they're asking me to verify my address here. Let's use what they've suggested. Okay, now it's asking for my social security. So I'll enter that information in here and then I'll click on next. The next thing it says is please review your information. Okay, did that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and click on submit. So I'm submitting. It says verifying your identity. This should only take a bit. Now, once again, I have no idea, what the process is, but I am trying to be as transparent as I can and just share the information with you guys so that you guys know. I feel like this is something that a lot of people should jump on, especially if you have no credit at all, if you have bad credit, poor credit, maybe even fair credit. I feel like this doesn't hurt you in any way. All right, it says you're approved. So it says how it works. Step 1, we give you a year of payments in your Kikoff wallet, $12. Step 2, you pay us back every month from your wallet, $1 per month. So I'm going to set a reminder on my phone to make sure that I log into the account to pay the $1 back. Step 3, we send your payment record each month to the credit bureaus. Step 4, watch your credit score grow from nothing to 600 plus. So I'm going to go ahead and click on I've read and accept the loan agreement. We'll click on accept. Afterwards, it says loan accepted. It says, how did you hear about us? We'll put a friend or sibling. Then we'll click on continue. It says, what financial goal are you working towards? Starting a business, blah, blah, blah. Let's just do, other. Of course, they're like, please elaborate. That's funny. I'll just put build credit because why not? All right, then I'll hit continue. Once again, just kind of want to show you guys exactly what to expect. It says, congratulations, the money from your loan is now available in your digital wallet. So then, of course, it says that you can start your tour. Do I need to do that? I guess I do. It's showing me my wallet here. Here's your money. This is the $12 we're lending you. Once again, this is free, guys. Then, of course, I'll click on next. It says, here's the amount left on your loan over the next 12 months. you will build credit as you pay back this loan. Next, click here to view your credit score. Sure, let's just go ahead and kind of do it. Okay, so this is my credit score according to Kikoff from whatever they're using to kind of show this score. So just to kind of even verify, my Equifax score on the Credit Karma app was 770 something. So this might be the same kind of score that's on Credit Karma. It says track your credit score. We report new loans at the start of every month. You'll see your updated credit score here when it's available. Cool. So I'll have a referral link. I can use a referral link, and I'll have a referral link for you guys to sign up for this. If you're interested in getting this Kikoff Credit Loan Builder, please consider using the referral link below this video. I have it in the description below. So I'll click on next just to kind of see what happens here. It says click here to view your account details. Sure, let's just do it for the sake of doing it. Oh man, they got all my information right here. So anyway, it basically is showing a bunch of information that is my personal information. Click here to see your upcoming installment. So I'll click on that just to kind of show you guys. It says installment 1 of 12, due date October 4th. Due in a month. Okay, so all you have to do is just come in, log into your account, and click right here where it says click to pay. So it says your monthly installments can be paid using your digital wallet, no bank account or credit card required. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the reminder on my phone right now just because I'm a nerd and I do not want to forget. So my payment is October the 4th. My payment date is October the 4th. So I'll set a reminder to pay it on the 1st. Pay Kikoff Loan, because I don't want to forget, and we'll do it monthly because that's when the payments are due. All right, cool. So I have the reminder set in my phone right now because I'm a nerd. Sweet. All right, good. So it says next. Take time to make a payment. Paying back your loan is easy as tapping a button. If you pay before the end of the month, it'll show up on the next month credit report. Okay, cool. I don't know if I should click to pay. I'll just click it to see what happens. Okay, it says paid. So I guess I already made a payment for my loan. It says, right. Wow, guys, so you're seeing this unfold as I'm doing the video with you guys. So it says, you've just made your first payment. Congrats. You're well on your way to establishing a solid credit score. So I'll just click on cool. Okay. I don't need to do all this. This is kind of like a little automated chat situation going on. I don't really care about what's going on there. So right now you see my balance is reflected as $11. So I need to move my reminder from October 1st until November 1st now because I already made that payment. So I'll just update that real quickly in my phone. And I'm really updating in my phone, you guys. That's the crazy thing is right here in my phone. I'm updating it right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. I guess it doesn't matter. But anyway, I'm updating in my phone right now. So I'm going to click on done and I will come back in here and make a payment on the 1st of November. So like I said, I wanted to just do a really quick video the video's not quick, but I wanted to do a video to show you exactly what the sign up process is in regards to the Kikoff Credit Loan Builder program. I think this is very, very legit. This is a very easy way, especially for people that have no credit at all, people that have bad credit, poor credit, fair credit. This is an easy opportunity and a no-brainer. All you do is set a reminder in your phone and you log into the website and you make your payment monthly. You just click to pay it, and this is no money out of your pocket. So anyway, I wanted to just do this video to let you guys know that. If you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I try to do live streams on Mondays at 7 p.m. Central. Feel free to stop by the live stream on Mondays at 7 p.m. Central. This is a great channel, great community. You can have your questions answered live on the live streams Monday, 7 p.m. Central on How to Build Credit TV. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously, and share the video with somebody that will benefit from the video. All right. Once again, my name is Dwayne with How to Build Credit TV, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.